Hi everybody and welcome to today's liftsurfer.com padlock demonstration. Today's padlock is a very big one indeed. Look, it's my Tri-Circle 265 50mm brass padlock, which I got from Cornwall a while back in 2013. So basically, I found this little hardware store, and it sold all sorts of different types of things, like electrical items and even padlocks. So I went ahead and bought this padlock, and a much smaller Tri-Circle padlock as well. If it's in here, yeah. Where is it now? It's much smaller. Tri-Circle 262 padlock, which is a lot smaller than this one. Was given to me by free. The man said, if you get this one, if I get this, I get this. Oh, he also okay, this little one free. Yes, I do have the keys for it, but it's in the box somewhere. Anyway, let me show you the bigger lock. So, here are the keys for it. Just generic style keys that you get on any lock these days. Tri-Circle made in China. And also, sadly, this padlock has lost its shine over the years. It was quite shiny when I bought it. In fact, when I bought it, it was one of the shiniest padlocks I ever owned. Anyway, there's the keyhole. Just your standard keyhole that you get on most padlocks these days. Anyway, I'm going to show you inside. So we're going to put the key in, and we're going to unlock it. This lock does not lock on the outside. And there you can see the locking lever. Bit stiff to turn the key. And this lock is not key retaining. Very cool padlock. Also makes a cool sound when it's unlocked too. Very nice padlock. I like it a lot. There you go. Nice stainless steel or steel shackle on there. Very stiff. This lock does not look on the outside, as you can see there. Because some locks you can look at outside. Very stiff shackle on this lock. And look at that big locking lever in there. It's absolutely massive. In fact, I can nearly stick my little finger in there, as you can see. It's a very cool padlock. And it's a big one too. And as for a bonus, I'll show you the little Tri-Circle lock as well. If I can find the keys for it. Once I find the keys for it, I'll demonstrate it. Hang on. Where are the keys for it? Here they are. The keys for the small Tri-Circle lock are very similar, except they're a lot smaller, because the lock's a lot smaller. And now I'll demonstrate this mini tricircle 262 padlock, as you see. Look at the font on the back as well. The font's different, see? Both made in China, but these are very good for made in China products. There's the keyhole. Put the key in. And no, this lock is not key retaining either. This one also has a bit of a stiff shackle as well. Tricircle make very good locks. Look how tiny that locking lever is as well. Let's see if I can activate the locking lever using this mini tricircle lock. Hang on. Let me see if I can push the locking lever back using this mini tricircle lock here. Now I can't. Anyway, those are my two tricircle padlocks that were given to me by a very nice man at hardware store. This little one I got for free. This one I paid a few pounds for. Thanks for watching and bye for now.